All right. All right, so as you can see, we got the doors off the truck. That's the only thing I've done since the last time you guys saw me. Because I got sick like the next day, and I'm just now kind of getting up and about. I could have probably come out here sooner, but it's been really cold, and this is the first warm day we've had where I've had a chance to get out here. And even though I'm not over this thing, I should probably be in the house making sure I don't, mess anything up and bring it back. I can't do it. I just can't sit in that house one more day knowing this is out here needing to be worked on. So, I'm going to apologize up front for the mucus and the sniffles and the scratchy throat and the non-shaving and the grubbiness. And I don't feel good, but I want to get some work done on this truck. So, I think the next step on this thing is the interior is going to need to come out. It's going to be a lot easier to figure out what we're going to have to do metalwork-wise and things like that without all that stuff in the way. In addition, before I can get all this harness and everything out of here, I need to get to the other side of it where it goes through the firewall. So getting the interior out of here is the next logical step. I'm also probably take that rear window out here soon, if not this video, the next one. I got a weird thingy up here. Let me just show you. So it's got this weird piece of metal sticking out on the window frame that does that to the, creates a whoop-de-doo on the rubber surround. So I got to grind that off. So I'm going to probably pop this window out of there. We'll probably need access through there anyway if we're removing the cab off of here. So it'll just make life easier. So without further ado, let's get a good look at this thing before we tear into it. I've already got the headliner out of it. That's actually in the house already. These visors are pretty shot, but at least they're not, falling apart. They're just poofy from moisture. You can see that there. A lot of Tahoe stuff in here. We've got like the vanity mirror there, emblem that says Tahoe. But we're getting ahead and the rest of this out of here. If this thing's going to undergo major surgery, all that stuff's got to go. This is what we're looking at. Dash is fairly decent. It's got a tear here. It's got a little bit of a funky, kind of goes like got a whoop-de-doo right here. I think it got smashed here at some point. That's probably why that cracked. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I think I'm going to go ahead and start labeling all these plugs as I take the thing apart. That way, if I do decide to work on this harness while it's out of the truck, I know what everything is. I think I'm going to go ahead and do that, put all my bolts in bags, things like that. So the label maker died, and I don't have any more batteries, so we're going old school on this one. All right, so I've got all this stuff off the front here, all the easy stuff. Well, not really, but I mean, there was other ways of doing it. But I think I'm at a point where the steering column needs to come out. If I try to take this dash out before the steering column, this is going to get in the way. I might damage it by scratching it and sliding stuff on it. And there's no reason I'm going to leave this in here anyway. I wanted to pull it out and fix a couple things on it. All right, so there's 4 screws here holding the steering column in. And a pin or something. Is that a rivet? I swear it looks like somebody just stuck a rivet through there. So I got to take the steering linkage off, or the shift linkage, I mean. Somebody did just stick a rivet in there. Look at that. There's a cotter pin hole in this thing. Somebody literally just dropped a rivet through it. And that's been on there this whole time. I had no idea. Alright, as crappy as I feel, I'm not as bored now. But this other plug is in the way. Oh, I see what's going on here. Oh, okay, I see what I gotta do. Alright. Getting to change my mind about the whole pull the column first thing. So I think I'm gonna go to the dash now. There's still a couple plugs I can't quite reach, so I'm thinking once the dash is out of the way, that'll be easier. But now that the column's down here, it'll be out of the way. So let's see if that bears any fruit. Brake release, that's got to come off. Pretty sure that's a 10. Or hood release, I'm sorry. Not good. Yeah, sometimes putting pressure on the back of it helps. Alright, this can come out because it's garbage anyway. Maybe that's just breaking it in half. That actually looks like it was just glued on there in the first place. Alright, so this is trash. We'll put it out there. Oh, you can't see any of what I just did. Alright, that whole side feels loose. This side actually. Something's still holding it. It feels like it's here in the middle somewhere. Let me have a look at that. Aha! There's an awkwardly placed 10mm bolt up here. Deceptively long as well. There we go. So there's going to be all kinds of wiring harnesses and stuff I'm going to have to jiggle around to get everything clear. There we go. Where's the screw I missed? Feels like it's up in here. So it was hung up on this custom speaker mount. So that's out of there now. I know this isn't the preferred way of doing this. Anyway, computer's right down here, so I'm going to disconnect that. Got a few more wires still to disconnect under here and doodads. Alright, so get your way, 'cause I gotta hold this up while I'm pulling on it. There we go. Yeah, you want to see what's going on in here? There it is. S10 dash. Or what's under it, I mean. Alright, so yeah, let's keep going. I got a bunch more stuff to get out of here, including this whole wiring harness. Alright, so we drag the harness over to here, the main part of the harness. It's going across the dash. We got all the steering column unplugged, and I think it's time to go ahead and pull this column out. Alright, so what's going on is that'll fit through, but this part won't. So I got to take this nut off, take it apart right there, and then we're good. We got that bolt out. I should just slide right off of there, and it does. Come on, let go. Come on. Excellent. Oh, good. It vibrated loose anyway. Okay, that's broken anyway. All right, there you go. Here's where we're at. I could honestly just keep going, and I would like to, but it's starting to get late. My wife should be off of work any minute now. She's having a hell day, so to speak, so I need to get in there and be as nice as I possibly can. And then I'll either get out here and film some more stuff before the next video, or this will be the end of it for this one. So, so here I am, not feeling great. Bags under my eyes and everything. But at least we got some stuff done on this truck finally. And I don't feel bad physically. It's just that it's all in my head. So anyway, sorry. There we go. So yeah, we'll probably come back out tomorrow, do a little more. Maybe not. I might just start getting on the editing. I don't want to wait too long for the next video. So I like to try and get one out every week. So that's tomorrow. So we'll see. But it's coming along. We got a lot of the stuff out of the way, and we were only out here maybe 2 hours, so that's not bad at all. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, we'll see you guys next time.